introduction of graphic design. So, graphic design is the art or profession of visual communication that combines images, words, and ideas to convey information to an audience, especially to produce a specific effect. In the other words, graphic design is a communication design. It is a way of conveying ideas through visuals and design. So, there's a few elements of graphic design, such as line, shape, color, texture, typography, size, and space. So there are a lot of types of graphic design. So some of the most common type of graphic design is corporate design, marketing and advertising design, publication design, environmental design, packaging design, motion design, even web design. So in this course, we only use two editing software, which is Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Later we will get into deeper about these two editing software.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. Now I will talk about Adobe Photoshop. So what exactly Adobe Photoshop is? Adobe Photoshop is a software application for image editing and photo retouching used in Windows and Mac OS computers. Adobe Photoshop was originally developed in 1987 by Thomas and John Knoll, and then Adobe System Incorporated bought the license to distribute it in 1988. Adobe Photoshop offers the user ability to create, enhance, otherwise edit images, artwork, and illustrations. Changing the backgrounds, simulating a real-life painting, as well as creating an alternative view of the universe are all possible with Adobe Photoshop software. It is the most widely used software tool for photo editing, image manipulation, and retouching for numerous images and video file formats. The tools within this Photoshop software make it possible to edit both individuals as well as large batches of photos. Adobe Photoshop is a critical tool for graphic designers, web developers, graphic artists, photographers, and creative professionals.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to briefly explain to you about the overview of Adobe Illustrator and its major component. So what is Adobe Illustrator? So Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based drawing illustration program. So the easiest way for you guys to understand is Illustrator works when you draw an object from scratch. So the result is what we call vector image. It is a major difference between vector image and ordinary image, or what we can call it raster image. So raster image is made from pixels, while vector image that you created is made from a pen tool. So you can differentiate it by, for example, you draw an apple in Illustrator and compare it with an apple you take from the internet. So when you zoom in deep, you will be noticing the quality of the raster apple image is very low, while the the vector apple image is at its best quality. So to conclude, the raster image quality is significantly going to decrease. So when you're dealing with raster-based artwork, you are somewhat limited as far as how big you can scale on your work, and also what you can do with it is very limited. So while vector image, on the other hand, is essentially infinitely scalable.
So if you're running a product-based business, you definitely need to do a lot of marketing for your products. Nowadays, especially now during this pandemic, social media is the best platform to advertise and reach out to your customers virtually. And this is where Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are needed to create some visually attractive medium, such as advertisement videos and posters to catch customers' eyes and hearts. Obviously, if you need to advertise your product, you not only need a valid product but also a remarkable logo that stays in people's memory so that you will have some returning customers. So in order to create a logo that stays in someone's heart, you'll need a software which is packed with extraordinary tools that not only will beautify your logo but also will simplify your work. And this is why Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator is definitely the best choice to create posters and logo. Your logo may be a key for customers to remember your product, but you definitely need an epic video to prove why people need to buy and try out your product. And therefore, my dear viewers, stay tuned for our presentation and our amazing advertisement. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are here to show our product advertisement today.
Yeah, for heads up, the product is a strawberry milkshake drink for refreshment and health. And the advertisement you are about to see is self-made by us using our skills and knowledge from graphic designing course.
Yeah, it's milkshake drink for refreshment. They even promoted it using self-made advertisement using their videography skills.
So be prepared to be amazed by the student-made advertisement.
So shall we take a look at that?
Firstly, we introduce you to our product logo and to our product poster, which is made using Adobe Illustrator. This software was taught to us in the graphic designing course. Adobe Illustrator is a reliable and feature-packed design software for creating vector graphics, sketches, drawings, and artwork. The program gives access to multiple tools for high-quality design projects. With brushes, special effects, layers, filters, color processing, gradient effects, and drawing tools, you can create stunning designs from your imagination.
Yes, that's true. Come on viewers, let's have a look on the advertisement.
Wow, well done. Though I'm watching it again, our own masterpiece, yet it is undeniable that the advertisement was perfect and legit for a student made.
Yes, it is. We succeed to sequence the advertisement neatly so that the products were reached. So, dear viewers, do you know how we, students, were able to produce such an advertisement?
We were taught the basic of videography through our graphic designing CoQ course. Let's discuss on how the advertisement was made. Firstly, do you notice that the advertisement video quality was very good? Yes, the advertisement was shot from an iPhone 11 that gives us a 4K resolution advertisement which is very pleasing and clear.
Furthermore, the advertisement really brought the product to be attracted by the viewers. This is because the technique used to shoot and direct the storyline of the advertisement here is the cinematic B-roll.
Yeah, cinematic B-roll techniques add necessary dimensions and depth to the advertisement storytelling, helps cover potential errors, illustrates and demonstrates action that's otherwise unexplained, and it will keep your audience actively engaged throughout the viewing. Moreover, it has greater flexibility when editing. This will ensure the editing goes smoothly and students might able to add various editing techniques to the advertisement that makes it unique and appealing to the viewer.
Wow. So viewers, you definitely might be thinking that this advertisement must be either edited in Filmora or Adobe Premiere Pro. But for your information, editing nowadays can be easily done in your smartphones. So for our advertisement, the app used for editing is VN Video Editor.
The VN Video Editor is a quick and pro video editor, which is one of the best free HD video editing software for smartphone. Furthermore, the software has great features such as cut video or footage, crop, add music, sticker, multi-layer timeline, chroma key, green screen, and amazing video effects. Hence, this software is simple yet powerful as a desktop editor, which is suitable for both beginners and professional users.
Moving on, the contents of advertisement include three terms which are transitions, effects, and soundtrack. The transition used in our advertisement is the fade white, which is used in the introduction, fade black, zoom in, zoom out, rotate clockwise, rotate anti-clockwise. The effects applied for our advertisement is flashing, slide right, left, zoom in, jitter up, down, left and right, and expand. The last but not the least, the soundtrack used in our advertisement is the Flying High song by Steve Oxen.
In short, we have used Adobe Illustrator to do the poster and logo by using our skills and knowledge gained from this course. Moreover, we have used iPhone 11 to shoot this advertisement in 4K resolution using cinematic B-roll technique. In addition, we have used VN Video Editor, which is packed with various editing features to make this advertisement to look as professional as possible.
That is all from us now for our advertisement. Hope you enjoyed our advertisement and our presentation today. Thank you.